Another box, another day. Let's dive in. Today I am extremely excited, as I always am excited, to share with you what kind of parcels I got, especially when it contains tea. Well, I guess maybe that's all I share with you is tea boxes. I love, this one is from Teapigs and it says right on it, real tea in transit. Cutest little box. Let's get this open. It's a struggle. The struggle is real. Let me get this out of the box for you. And away that goes. It just disappears. Whew, okay. First up, they do free shipping over $50, so you know, you have to kind of bump it up a little bit, but I actually wanted to try this. It is Teapigs Cold Brew, lychee and rose tea bags. There's 10 little tea sachets in here, and it's complete cold brew. We're gonna chat more about this another day. Let's dive into what we actually want to talk about. 24 days of tea. Yeah, we're doing way too many advents this year. I'm like obsessed with advents. I want to know what you guys think. Am I crazy? All right, looks like some of these should not be open. Let me just close these back up for them here. This is a very interesting looking box. All right, so on the top we see it says Teapigs Tea Advent Calendar. On the bottom it looks like there's a bunch of ingredients, directions, 4 different sides. The one that we normally get to see, 24 days of Teapigs Tea Advent Calendar. Yes, I am super excited today. I don't know why. I just love advent calendars. On the back it says, welcome to the world of whole leaf tea. You'll never look back. Celebrate the lead up to Christmas with a different Teapigs tea every day. Our teas are natural with no artificial flavoring. Our tea temples are plant-based and nice and roomy. And we give back to the communities that bring us our teas. Includes 23 individual teas plus a surprise tea behind day 24. Exciting. Ta-da! What do we see? This is so unique, you guys. You guys, that is adorable. Okay. So on one side, you can see it's like this accordion that's gonna stand up and look so cute. And then you flip it and you have the rest of the days. So there's 24. What do you think's in that? That looks super nifty. This is a really clever and neat way that they've done this. So cute. Totally adorable. Okay, so I have a question for you guys. As you know, or maybe you're new to this channel, if you are, I do all kinds of tea things. That's my game, tea. I am wondering, last year I only featured David's Tea and I did a sit down tea with you every day. I rated the teas and I kind of shared, you know, something fun to me or something that I wanted to talk about each day. This year, where we're going to have 3.5 tea advent calendars. So we're gonna have David's Tea, which I did the unboxing. This one, the Teapigs, as well. We're gonna have the Fortnum Mason, which I did the unboxing, but I think there was so much to focus on at that time and I basically just sniffed the corner that we didn't dive too deep into the actual box, just kind of like my initial thoughts on it. So we're going to do those 3, plus we have an additional one that is a 12-day countdown with tea thoughts. So we're going to add hers in. Now my question to you is, how do you think I should do this year for my daily tea videos? Would you like to see a vlog style and have it more loosey-goosey and basically a video at the end of each night showcasing, like, you know, the different teas, and maybe I'll drink 1 or 2, or maybe I'll drink all of them. How would you guys like to see that? Or would you rather more of a sit down style like this and just open them up with you guys here? I want to know what you guys want to see. Let me know in the comments down below. And of course, we're still going on with the good mail and every video this week. And I think I've done one each day is going to count as an entry into that good mail contest. So leave your comment down below, say hello. I love to chat with you guys. So until next time, take care. Bye. I can see me breaking this. I won't break it, I promise. So cute. This is like a lighter cardboard, but it still feels strong. Can't really smell it though. We're gonna tuck you back in here until the day comes when I can release you.